Hi, welcome to the video Navigating Google Docs, Images and Drawings. Content covered in this video includes inserting an image into Google Docs and making a drawing in Google Docs as well. Let's get started. So here we are in our example Google Doc. We're going to go to the top of the toolbar and select Insert, Image. This is going to open up the drop-down menu and give you a variety of options for uploading images. If we select Search from the Web, it's going to open a Google toolbar on the right side of our screen. And this will allow us to search Google Images without having to go back and forth between tabs. When we find images that we like, we can select them. If you want to upload multiple images at the same time, you just select more than one. When you're ready to insert them into the document, you click Insert. This will insert them at their download size. You can then click on them, and from the corner nodes, adjust them to the appropriate size. You'll notice as well when you select an image, a toolbar appears at the bottom of that image, and that allows you to align the image with the text. So you can see here there's some options there. You can adjust the size of it, and you can also go down to aligning and break it and organize it. So this is really good for writing reports or for setting images as background. Back at the drop-down menu, we can go to Images, and we can select Upload from Computer. This will give us a pop-up window showing all the images that are available on our computer already. We can select Drive, and our Google Drive will open up on the right-hand side, just where that Google search bar was. We can also utilize our camera. So if you have a web camera attached to your device, you can click on that and take an image of yourself or something else you want to include in the document. All of these drop-down features, as well as a few others, are available from Insert, as well as the lower drop-down menu under Images. You'll find all of the same features there. Now, let's take a look at drawings. So we're going to go back to Insert. We're going to go past Images and select Drawing. This is going to open up a miniature version of the Google Draw app and allow us to create a drawing using images and other text features found throughout Google Suites to create something that would be a little bit challenging to format on a Google Doc. This drawing will also be available to us on our Google Drive, separate from this doc later on, saved as a drawing. Here we can type, and when selecting some of the base features, you'll notice that there's an ellipsis or 3 dots in a horizontal line to the right-hand side. That'll open up additional features that we would often find in some of the different Google Suites toolbars. Fast forwarding a bit, we can now take our completed work and organize it a little bit and begin adding some other features, things like lines or arrows that would otherwise be a lot harder to put onto a Google Doc and might actually make us choose a Google slide instead of a doc if we didn't know how to use this tool. Now, just like we can in the regular settings for docs, we can add images. You can see all the same drop-down options there. And we can create kind of custom graphics or smaller text box features within our Google Doc here. Just as I've said before, we might choose to use Google Slide or Draw to do this regularly, but this is helpful if you're writing a larger report and you know you're going to be using Google Docs. When you're finished, you click Save and Close up at the top, and this will automatically put your drawing wherever you were in the document. Just like with the images we did before, you can rearrange it, and we have that same image editing toolbar at the bottom of our image. And that's it. In this video, navigating Google Docs, images and drawings, we covered inserting an image in Google Docs and making a drawing in Google Docs.